penche sur toi, c'est que je rêve de toi, nuit du soir, au matin.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my virtual classroom. You have learned so much in the past few weeks. You are now able to recite and sing the French alphabet. You can introduce yourself to the French people, and you can let them know how you feel. By the way, did you know that there are 31 francophone countries in the world with about 76 million native French speakers and 274 million fluent French speakers worldwide? Before we go any further, I would like to use this lesson to master what we have learned so far. French letters. Some of the French letters are quite difficult to pronounce, and others are completely silent. Let's work on the most infamous ones. H. H. The letter H is silent in French. So we do not say l'hôpital, le hot dog, le hotel, le heureux, les haricots, but we say l'hôpital, le hot dog, l'hôtel, heureux, les haricots, etc. The letter R. Let's now work on that letter. Let's start by saying the sound Then close your throat with the very back of your tongue. You need to make your tongue almost like fatter to close your throat. Then you release and let the air out. Let's do it together. R, R, R. You see how the back of your throat is getting closed by the back of your tongue. And then let the air out. Let's do it again. R. So it sounds rough right now, but I promise once you get used to it, the sound will become softer. Try a few times to master that skill. As you can see, the letter R is not produced by the center of the tongue like in English, R, or the tip of the tongue like in Spanish or in Italian, R, but the sound comes from the very back of your tongue. So we say Merci, de rien, Bonjour, heureux, froide, surprise, au revoir. You see how the r becomes softer as you get used to it. And last but not least, the letter U. The letter U is a French trademark. It represents the beauty and the complexity of the language. So let's study that letter U. Start by saying the sound E. Exaggerate with your mouth and lock your teeth together. The front teeth are locked together. Let's do it again. E. Then crisp your lips and make a small circle as if you were making the letter O. So let's do it. You make it E. The tongue should go behind your lower teeth and should be stuck at the bottom, right? So let's do it together. By doing this, we're going to crisp into an O and we're going to make the sound U. Let's do it. E. Close as much as you can. E. Okay, we're done? Let's do it again. E. Now, remove the E and just stick to the U. 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 Now make it shorter. U. U. It will come to you, I promise. We learned all these words with the letter U. Salut, mur, je suis, la pluie, je suis surprise, une femme, etc. We are now going to review our vocabulary. Please guess the following meanings. What does de rien mean? Does it mean thank you, you are welcome, or nothing? De rien. De rien in French means you are welcome. À bientôt. What does à bientôt mean? Hello, see you soon, or goodbye? À bientôt means see you soon. What does la mémé mean? The brother, the grandma, or the mother? It means the grandma. What does jeune mean? Jeune. Does jeune mean the egg, the party, or young? Jeune means young. What about comment tu t'appelles? Does comment tu t'appelles mean how are you? What is your name? Or where are you from? Comment tu t'appelles means what is your name? Let's now work on our pronouns. Je suis malade. Does je suis malade mean he is sick, you are sick, or I am sick? Je suis malade means I am sick. What about il est amoureux? Does it mean I am in love, she is in love, or he is in love? Il est amoureux means he is in love. Let's try another one. Nous sommes tristes. Does it mean you are sad, we are sad, or they are sad? Nous sommes tristes. Nous sommes tristes means we are sad. Elles sont en colère. Does it mean she is angry, they are angry, or you are angry? Elles sont en colère. Elles sont en colère means they are angry. They are feminine, plural. Two more. Elle est heureuse. What does it mean? Elle est heureuse. Does it mean they are happy, she is happy, or we are happy? Elle est heureuse. It means she is happy. And finally, tu es en bonne santé. Tu es en bonne santé. Does it mean you are healthy, the singular form? You are healthy, the plural form? Or he is healthy? Tu es en bonne santé means you are healthy, the singular form. Now, last but not least, how to ask questions. We have learned to ask specific questions and answer them. Let's see how questions are really structured in French. Comment ça va? Meaning, how are you? Comment means how, and ça va literally means is it going? It is the informal way to ask how a person is doing. You can also remove comment and say ça va? Or you can use the specific pronoun by saying comment vas-tu? Comment va-t-il? Comment il va? Comment tu vas? Comment nous allons? Comment allons-nous? So you see there's many ways to ask questions. Comment t'appelles-tu? For what is your name? Comment means how, again, and t'appelles-tu literally means are you called? Just like in English, the verb comes before the pronoun for a question, but the French also say comment tu t'appelles? And they emphasize on the question mark. So you can say comment t'appelles-tu? Or you can say comment tu t'appelles? They both work. Es-tu française? For are you French? Here again, the verb comes before the pronoun, but the French also say tu es française? And they emphasize on the question mark. Last one. Aimes-tu la pluie? For do you like the rain? And you can also hear tu aimes la pluie? They both work. Note that the French do not translate do you plus the verb, but they use est-ce que, pronounced as est-ce que. It translates as is it that? So we say, do you like the rain? So for do you like the rain, for example, we can say est-ce que tu aimes la pluie? Tu aimes la pluie? Or we can say aimes-tu la pluie? Let me say it again. Est-ce que tu aimes la pluie? Tu aimes la pluie? Aimes-tu la pluie? They all mean the same thing. Do you like the rain? One more. Are you American? So how can we say are you American in French? We can say est-ce que vous êtes américain? We can remove est-ce que and say vous êtes américain? Or we can invert the verb with a pronoun by saying êtes-vous américain? So many options. That's it. You are all caught up with lessons 1, 2, and 3, and you are now ready to attack lesson number 5. Of course, if you don't feel quite ready, you are welcome to go back to any of these lessons. In our future lessons, we will get new guests and new fun facts. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to contact me at bbonclody@gmail.com ou en français bbonclody@gmail.com. Au revoir, merci et à bientôt.